The streets of Taiwan. Not crowded. They have many scooter like pikis and motorcycles. Very simple buildings they have. No traffic. The roads are also very, very simple. This is Chiai, Taiwan. Look at that. That's maybe they're trying to construct that. Clean, very clean city. The scooters, as you can see, they are very, very many. That is the motorcycles, which are gender friendly. We are very close to the ocean. Yeah. Also very simple cars. That's one of the scooters. In the traffic rules here. It goes orange, and then the traffic sign. That side is off. Most people here still put on the masks. A lot of people put on the masks. Very many of them are putting on masks. Then that one you can see is on mask. See? Very simple buildings. You can see that one is also masked up. The scooters are there, several of them. Them. Yeah. Some streets there. A lot of Chinese writings. Those clothes still cheap. Have also very simple cars.